Words fillers are your necessary evil. Why do I say that? Because as a creator, when I'm creating and I'm nervous, I use words fillers when I'm recording my videos. Those are your actually, at the end of the day, okay, I guess, those words that we use when we're trying to remember something that we've written down when we're recording or we're giving out a speech. As an editor, edit out words fillers. They are a nightmare. I want us to jump in on Descript, and I can show you how it takes away those ums and ahs and and actually it's a breeze. It makes editing such a beautiful thing. And it also helps the creator when they know that the words fillers are going to be taken out by a software. So you don't need to worry about, oh, I'm saying when you're recording, because you know you're going to take them out when you're editing. Descript is perfect for that. So we're going to look at two features today, the words fillers as well as the studio sound or studio audio that makes your videos much awesome. So let's jump in on the screen and show you how to do that. You're going to open up your Descript and you're going to create a brand new project. So you're going to select where it says new and you're going to click on video project. Then you're going to upload your audio or you're going to upload your video in order for you to take away the filler words gaps or the filler words. So you're going to title your video. And then you're going to add your file. It starts adding the file and then you wait for the upload to take place. The next thing, the system is going to start analyzing the words that I'm using on my video and it will add them on the script over there. Then you would wait for the analysis to happen until all of the words are added and then you start getting into action. A message is going to pop up showing you that transcribing is busy. It'll be ready in a few minutes and then it's going to be in English. You are more than welcome to select a language that you want to use with a drop down. If you're happy, you just click on done. Once the script is added, the system is going to highlight the filler words that are on the video. Then you can have a look at them and select the filler word and right click on the filler word and then tell the system to remove it by selecting remove filler words. It will give you a number of filler words that are on your video. Then you can select remove or remove all. So you can decide to remove each as you go along on your script, or you can select to click by removing all. The system immediately takes all of the filler words that are on your video.
Oh, quick and easy.
I don't want to take off my filler words because this video is all about filler words, so I'm going to leave them. Let me know if this is going to add value to you. If you would like to try this, you see I'm doing filler words. If you'd like to try Descript filler words, you can go to my link on the description below. There is a free version, there's a paid version, because with the filler words filler, there's a limit of how many you can use and how long your video is, etc. You can go watch a video that I've created of the pricing. But the next feature that I want to show you that has also saved my life is the studio sound that you could add on your video. And I'm going to play you one of my sister's videos that I've edited that had horrible sound, that I used the studio sound effect and it took it away, and it is awesome. It's available on Descript as well on your paid or free version. So you're going to select the video itself like I've done. Then you're going to click where it says studio sound. The minute you switch on studio sound, the system or the AI starts applying studio sound to your video. It makes it sound like you are recording in a studio. So I will also show you the differences between what it was before we added the studio sound. But for me, it is just one of the best features I've ever found on the internet to help me with my editing and me creating videos.
Now we will be talking about the way in which the business can apply, or the way the business they are expected to conduct themselves. Now we will be talking about the way in which the business can apply, or the way the business they are expected to conduct themselves.
Quick, easy, and painless.
If you would like to know the I feature, go watch this next video. If this video has added value, please go try Descript on the link below and let me know your comments when it comes to editing and when it comes to creating content. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. I do enjoy these videos. I will see you on our next video.